Yeah.
Too bad I'm not buying yours.
Oh, Samson.
What's up?
Is a mess, is mine. I can't sleep 'cause it hurts when I think.
What's up, brother?
Don't take life too seriously. Just have fun, right?
It's called salty.
You are what you think. So think good things.
Wow, like
And good things will come to you.
that's like.
Stayed at that camp and slept because he was tired. But I'm like, well, bro, I'm kind of like getting tired, and like I don't really, you know, that's kind of a fucking mish in the middle of the night. Sean's like, bro, I want to wake up with the Mossies on so hard, and I'm like, oh, dude, what about Matt? He's like, just leave him a note. He literally said, just leave Matt a note.
Yes, not gonna lie, that's better.
Yes, I am having so much fun with my friends. And yes,
So much space for fun activities.
Yeah.
Hey, Kaz.
Hello.
Heading to the Dome Zone. We get plenty of brothers, friends, and family. And we all go and cruise, have a good time, do some building, maybe make a garden bed, and swim in the waterfall. We made it to the Dome Zone. Let's go!
Solar sleigh.
Yeah. I remember.
Ah, fucking mosquito in my eye.
Drink them, Jake, drink them.
Oh yeah, my rain catchment system's finally ready.
Wait.
Huh?
You gotta have. This is nice framing. You could have like Jake sitting on the other side, just like.
I saw that whole fucking thing move.
It's yeah. Don't fritz right now.
I used to fidget with it was me and I busted phone on the floor. I was that, yeah. Oh, you know what? I had so many friends.
Oh my god, do not touch it. I saw it move.
And oh no! You can just be like this.
And like,
Oh,
I heard
so
the
bad,
fishing
dude.
is so fucking good.
Oh, how's my bed, bro? Traditional sleeping sitch.
Major.
Serious.
Yeah, I guess you're the grill master.
Thank you, Jersey Mike.
I want Mike to take the sandwich to the bag. Yeah, I gotta move this thing before I fucking like.
You built your pyramid too tall.
I know, right?
I don't know if that might be one of the reasons.
Jake, I know, bro.
That is a big ass steak.
Alright, the bugger's at 85 degrees, so we're getting there. Holy shit, Devin, that is fucking beautiful. So good, bro.
Did you leave the boots?
Yeah,
I like how you're like, oh, I got new boots brought, and then you didn't use them.
I know.
That's
Well, I was just like,
that's
classic
Jake.
I know. And I'm kind of
They
like,
usually last so long. That's why.
well, no, they did. They lasted for 3 years.
Oh yeah.
But
That shit was so fucking funny. Oh, I got chained into some comfortable.
Dude, I'm getting there, man. I've had a lot of meat. I've had some sake.
It's the Minecraft noise.
we spent the day building at our beloved Dome Zone. And, you know, after a hard day's work, cleaning myself with some Ace Hardware lye soap.
Yes,
This is some stubborn dirt though, you know? After reinforcing the roof, getting the lights set up, I'm scrubbing away.
What are you doing, Samson?
I like turtles.